Happy morning, dear children. Welcome to mathematics class. We are in the chapter long and short. Let's continue the activities in the chapter. Inter-school sports meet race. This is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. Behind her is Rehana. Konkana and Uma are running behind Rehana. Look at the picture. To answer the questions below, choose from these distances: 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters, 15. This is the picture. Here you can see that Arundhati is nearest to the finishing point and she is away from the finishing point by 6 meters. Behind her is Rehana, and behind Rehana there are two girls. They are Konkana and Uma. If you closely watch, you can find out that the distance between Rehana and the two girls is almost 6 meters. Now about the distance between Rehana and Arundhati. We are already instructed that you should choose from these options to get the answers for the questions. By looking at the picture itself, you can find out that the distance between Rehana and Arundhati is less than 6 meters. So the answer must be 3 meters. Now, with the help of these three measurements, we can find out how far are Konkana and Uma from the finishing line. For this, you need to add 6 meters, 3 meters and 6 meters. It will give you 15 meters. The answers are: Rehana is 3 meters away from Arundhati. Rehana is 6 meters away from Konkana and Uma. And Konkana and Uma are 15 meters away from the finishing line. This is the next activity. From Kozhikode to Talasheri. Subodh is going to Kozhikode, which is 24 kilometers away. Manjani is going to Talasheri, which is 46 kilometers away in the opposite direction. Here you have to find out how far is Kozhikode from Talasheri. This is Talasheri and this one is Kozhikode. Take this point as the place from where both Subodh and Manjani are starting their journey. Kozhikode is 24 kilometers away from here and Talasheri is 46 kilometers away from here. So, by adding these two distances, you will get the distance between Talasheri and Kozhikode. So, the answer for this question is 70 kilometers. This is the next activity. How far is your home from school? Moman comes to school from very far. He first walks about 400 meters to the pond. With slippers in his hands, he then walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. How much does Momin walk every day to reach school? Is it more than 1 kilometer? These are the questions to be answered. At first, let's connect the given information with the picture. At first, Momin walks about 400 meters to the pond. So, he has to walk 400 meters to the pond from his own house. Then, with slippers in his hands, he walks 150 meters through the pond. Next, he runs across 350 meters wide green field. Then he crosses 40 meters wide road to reach his school. Here you are asked to find out the total distance that Momin walks from his home to school every day. The total distance is 400 meters plus 150 meters plus 350 meters plus 40 meters, that is equal to 940 meters. So, the distance that Momin has to cover to reach school is 940 meters. Next one, is it more than 1 kilometer? Since 1000 meters make 1 kilometer, this distance is less than 1 kilometer. So the answer is no. The next activity is based on a running exercise. The doctor has told Devi Prasad to run 2 kilometers every day to stay fit. He took one round of this field. How far did he run? Here you are given the picture of a square-shaped field. Each side of the field is 500 meters. So, in one round of running, he completes a distance of 500 meters plus 500 meters plus 500 meters plus 500 meters. That is equal to 2000 meters. We have already seen that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Likewise, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So, here Devi Prasad has completed his target of 2 kilometers running in this field. The field was very far from his home, so he chose a park nearby. The boundary of the park was about 400 meters long. So the question is, how many rounds of the park must Devi Prasad run to complete 2 kilometers? We have seen that 2000 meters make 2 kilometers. So here the park has 400 meters long. So you have to find out how many 400 make 2000. So you can start adding as many 400s to make 2000. So it is 5 400s make 2000. So Devi Prasad has to run 5 times around the park to complete 2000 meters or 2 kilometers. One day the weather was very good and a cool breeze was blowing. He felt so good that he kept jogging till he got tired after 8 rounds. That day he ran dash kilometer and dash meters. Here we are told that Devi Prasad ran 8 rounds around the park. So you have to add 400 8 times. 8 times 400 meters will give you 3200 meters. Since 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer, 3000 meters is equal to 3 kilometers. So 3200 meters is equal to 3 kilometers and 200 meters. So these are the answers for all these questions. Okay dear children, that's all for today's class. Have a great day. Bye.